this is Angra Waki. Look, this is Hura by D-Style. D-Style is a small Japanese fishing brand led by Daisuke Aoki, who used to compete in the Bassmaster Elite series. I believe this lure, Hura, is designed for a drop shot rig. This can be used in two ways. Like this. Or set this way. My preference is for the latter. It mimics a baitfish fluttering its fins in the water, which must be super attractive to hungry bass. Drop shot rig, D-Style Hura, 2.5 inches. Okay, ultralight spinning tackle. Cast. Whew. Shake, shake, shake. The water is very dirty. It looks green. What's happening here? Seems like by bacteria. That means the water temperature is not that cold. Could be warm. That's good, but this dirty water condition I do not like. Anyway, let's keep focus. Cast and shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Come on, come on. No bait fish around. It's bad. First, I have to pin down where Ledger's bass stays around. The bait fish school would be the key factor. But this weather condition, this bad weather condition, the bait fish may be going down to the deep. Yeah, the water is not that cold. Okay, D-Style is a Japanese fishing brand founded by an ex-Bassmaster Elite Series Pro, Daisuke Aoki. Aoki Daisuke. He's a superstar bass pro in Japan. He's very good at finesse style bass fishing. So good. D-Style has been producing so many great lures for such a finesse bass fishing style. I don't think the brand is popular in the US yet, but this style has a potential. As bait fitting system gets popular in the United States, the lures for that style are being demanded. So, this style has a potential. Could have a chance to get popularity in the United States. Not just in the United States, worldwide. Since they have quality lures. Unfortunately, Daisuke announced his retirement from the US tournament scene, but he's still competing in Japan. So I believe the brand will keep producing so many great rules. Stay tuned. Keep your eyes on the brand, D-Style, and my channel. Okay. I need a bite. Come on. The dusk is coming around, but I haven't had any bites. However, then I noticed Bedfish starting to disturb the water surface. I decided to change tactics. Perhaps the bass would soon start chasing the bedfish swimming around. It might be time to try horizontal movement rather than pinpoint shaking. Mid-throwing could be an interesting option here. Typically, a jig head rig is used for this technique, but we could apply the same approach to a drop shot rig. Let's give it a try. Okay, downshot swimming, like mid-throwing. Throwing, drop shot mid-throwing. Oh, it's not bass. It's a carp. Oh my. It's a largemouth bass. Where are you? Shaking the line, not shaking the hook, shaking the line. will be a best. Come on. Baby bass. Nice little body. It's not the big one. Okay. No! It was a bite. Okay. 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 Okay, size. Okay, size. Yes, hurrah. Mid throwing. Drop shot. Oh. Yes, finally. Yes.